order, we are directing you to PayFast. So this is how it looks like. You can select any payment method like credit card, check card. If I press that, so it asks me to put my card numbers, my date, all those things that you have to put. If I want to change my payment method, I can pay with Google Pay, with Apple Pay, with Samsung Pay. I can pay with EFTs, like select any South African bank account that I want to pay with. I can pay with SnapScan, Zapper, Visa, like all my payment methods are already there. So do you want to integrate PayFast payment method to your WordPress website? Maybe you have a shop, you have a Shopify, or you have any website that want to receive payment using PayFast, but you do not know how to integrate it. So this video is for you. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Lablonde Kalalizi, and in this video I am going to take you step by step on how you can integrate PayFast payment to your website shop using PayFast and WordPress. So first of all, you have to go and log into your Hostinger account. So once you have logged into your Hostinger account, like you go to Hostinger, login. Right. So once you press login, you come to this page, and then you just press my account. So you put your username and your password, and then you go into Edge panel, which is Hostinger panel. Once you have logged into Hostinger panel, and then we're going to log into our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so we're here. So the second thing, you're going to go to your WordPress admin. So if you don't have a Hostinger, you do not have to worry. You can just log into your cPanel and log into your WordPress admin. Then you can migrate straight to your shop. Like if you're using WooCommerce or whatever payment method that you're using, or shop integrations that you're using, you can use the same method. You can follow these step-by-step steps to follow the same method to integrate your payment. Right, and if you want to create a website and you don't have a hosting account as yet, I will leave the link in the description below, so you can just go and create your account using Hostinger. Hostinger is the best. So if you want also to migrate your website from whatever hosting platform that you're using to Hostinger, you can also do the same thing. Just press the link in the description and you can do that. So right, so before we continue, let me just go and show you the website that we're gonna integrate our payment into. So that is Netovet SA. We have a book club where we are selling digital books, and I want to integrate the payment on this book club, right? In this book club, so you can see we have digital books. So I'm still working on it. Don't make your judgment about the pricings, but I want to show you something. So if you go to add to cart with this website, there is an integration payment that has been made already for PayPal, but it's not working correctly, you see. So that's why we want to remove PayPal, and then we add our PayFast account. Okay, let's go back. So plugins, add plugin, and then we're going to add PayFast. Look for PayFast. And then we're gonna go with this one, WooCommerce PayFast. So this PayFast has been recommended by WooCommerce, right? We activate it because we have already installed it. So if it's activated, now we have to look for it. Go to settings. Now we say enable PayFast, title PayFast, make payment to Netovet SA. So the most important thing, guys, you have to look for your merchant ID. So you add your merchant ID there, and then you add your merchant key as well. Copy, you add your merchant key, your payment is 100% secure, your key phrase, enable transaction, login for gateway. Okay, and then we save changes. Changes are saved. So let's go to our payment and see. Payment, enabled. Okay, so enable card on checkout, EFT, SI EFT, EFT is enabled. Snap scan, mobile, great, no. Main checkout, enable MasterPass, enable Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, send order number. Okay, so done. We'll check our payment. So let's go here. You go to plugin, add plugin, and install PayFast. You're going to install this PayFast gateway for WooCommerce. Okay, PayFast gateway for WooCommerce. This is the official PayFast gateway extension to receive payment for WooCommerce. So once you have installed it, activate it. Once you have activated, go back to WooCommerce and go to settings. Right, you select your WooCommerce and you go to settings, and then in the settings go straight to payment. In the payment, what you do, you can see the PayFast gateway has already installed. Right, it has already been installed. Press to enable if it's not enabled as yet, and manage. Once you have press enabled and then you go to manage, what do? You select enable PayFast gateway, and then make sure your title is PayFast. It's going to automatically generate this, but the most important thing is your terminal ID and your encryption key. So log into your PayFast account and get this terminal ID and encryption key. You are going to find it there. Right, so since you are setting up your payment method, you can put it in test mode. Right, and then the description, it's optional. Can say make payment to your website or your business, whatever it is, really, like, you know, and then enable whatever payment method that you want to receive payment for. Right, like you can see here, I have enabled card on checkout, pay with card. I have enabled enable snap scan on checkout. I have enabled master pass on checkout, but the most important thing is pay with card, because you want people to use their card and make payment. Once you are done, you just save your changes, right? So once you save your changes, you can go back to your site, to your shop. Like I'm in my ebook club right now, and then I want to buy this book, Innovating for Maternal Health. I add to cart, right? Once I have added to cart, I want to see what happens right here. I want to buy two books. For example, I want to buy 2 books, and after I have selected my options, it's going to say proceed to checkout. I have proceeded to checkout, and I have to fill out my information, my email address, my email, my address, my billing address, and you can see the PayFast logo is already there. Once the PayFast is already there, I have to say place order. It's going to directly send me to PayFast to make payment. So as for now, you can say please note that this is a test transactions. This alert does not appear when live gateway ID is used. So you can see now when we enabled our test method here, our test mode here, so that's why you are seeing that pop-up message. But if we disable it, it said that it's not going to give that pop-up message thing, so it's going to remove it out. So now you can see our test, our payment gateway has been enabled. Now we can pay with card, secure EFT, snap scan, Zapper. So if I select pay with card, now I can put my card, I can put the card holder's name and all the information and proceed. So we have completed integrating our PayFast plugin into our WordPress shop. So I am going to show you how does it look. So remember one thing when you are integrating your PayFast plugin, first you have to install the plugin that is recommended by WooCommerce and PayFast, right? And then secondly, you have to place your merchant ID and your key phrase. The key phrase has to be created by you, and it has to be the same key phrase that you put in your PayFast account. If you don't put the key phrase, you are going to get errors during your checkout. So make sure you set up that key phrase. Let me just show you what I did. Okay, my WooCommerce settings. In my WooCommerce settings, and then I went to payment. So when you're integrating your payment is PayFast, right? And then you have to go to manage your PayFast. So one thing that you have to remember, the most important thing is your merchant ID, your merchant key, and your passphrase, right? So your merchant ID and your merchant key is going to be found in PayFast. So your passphrase, it has to be created by you, and for that you have also to edit in your PayFast account, right? So it has to match. If it doesn't match, guys, you are going to get an error. How my integration is looking, and if you want to try it out, you can go to nexovet.co.za. You go to our ebook club. So I just changed the price so that I can test it out. If I go to add to cart, remember before it was giving me errors, complete errors, and I was so nervous because I didn't know what was happening. If you were getting the same error, so you don't have to worry. So this is how my shop looks like. So this is the product. I can see the product description if I just press that, right? So this is my product description. So it shows me what like other books that are in my store, of course. And then it say continue shopping, so I just press continue shopping, so I can go to my checkout. Okay, I want to buy these 2 books, 2, so you can either add the numbers 1 or 2, is up to you, and then proceed to check out. So this is the most important, because when I was proceeding to check out, you know what, I was getting an error. So add your emails, add your billing address, and then you place order. Once you place order, it does what? It takes thank you for your order, we are directing you to PayFast. So this is how it looks like. you can select any payment method like credit card, check card. If I press that, so it asks me to put my card numbers, my date, all those things that you have to put. If I want to change my payment method, I can pay with Google Pay, with Apple Pay, with Samsung Pay. I can pay with EFTs, like select any South African bank account that I want to pay with. I can pay with SnapScan, Zappa, Visa, like all my payment method are already there. So if you want to integrate PayFast into your shop, maybe you're struggling to integrate your PayFast account into your WordPress store, just check my email somewhere, either in the description or in my profile, and you can contact me and integrate it for you. Once again, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.